kawasoko rikama sere kunda yele mun wa fulla kado kula lebe mulmi yana kun ke jo pure do ko kam ko sinda mata kala nyundo ko koleatal so kado kula ni le do kula mi ko special katara je mi yana ke kam makoy ke jo.
Tangiers Fishing Center became the most vibrant landing site owing to its proximity to the urban Kumbu. According to the elders, Malang Sise was the first local-based fisherman in Tangier, while artisanal fishing with motorized canoes was introduced by Alhaji Suley Njai and Kor Sen, the founding patriarch of Sukuta Kor Sen Kunda.
Obata jem falsu tanje wala mu dem balan ko fol ko duma fa jala ba ka fay jam ñela si akam ni molonto ñi we aro si ta fitiro dunta ke bal ka taje do nem pachamo ni bula da ñel ko do ni macho ni akala ni awulide ke ka je ñel ka so kana bula kulunko ah kole ke makole
la bata malanci sero amulunta shabi kolisel wolle na rada ka janga na jalo fayda ka jalo fayda amunda ko ten otumo chalo nani burele tija bada ka tamaka foka je ke business dulati wo folo da saradiam ko dole wole jayele ka fa sule dengue wole jayele because bira jayele ndefa ko kundiwo ndele fa mala do kula folota motumo ni nyejan joda wal buka sado ni yirme se on ka waleta nka la bento ka nka nyejan wala ka ndele fa ko kundiwo yo fa folo
jala fayo ni ya kumaze wala munyinti ni la mujalo nyati ndafta si fa sube ka desele e kasuman wumula londe te kasuma nyam londe ha kasuman tenne ni ka nga keten anyata ni nam le mutal ni nga keten anyata ni nam le mutal ni le mujubot hanika bi abe tarin kulungo to pala temu so tasolit ni masino balanta jibana ni be kulungo kono sa jam fa jango jang sa sa manam band ni le mu fay jaloti kanyin le fay mbolo ka ni bos nya samba ni nya 36 ni le sayna folo mbota je ko ciali balek be kering san cialo ka kanale nata foti keje ni le mu foti nyati ntara fo ciali bana ta ko tege nata 46 san wala ka ciali ba muta wala ka sabunu mol ka foko tanje ciali bale bije ferele bijenu otumo kulung sabale katra jang kulung saba kulung ngoro wula yirwa kana anu nyebu ka bang fontol ka bo banne aji be bibe min belbe mi kono bi kulung mbe katra tendado kata fa kulung keme anu nyebu ka simol sañ minga nyemuta asiata bakele fo ciali bal fa bortale fa bantal mo malo sañ nata muru tati sector wala tan ciali me songo be kerin sañ.
Those using the run net size for artisanal fishermen, those are the small fishermen. The penalty to all the offenses there is 10,000 minimum. Then for an industrial fisherman who is caught using a wrong net site, or even if it is found on your vessel, its minimum is $1 million. And for license fishing without a license, it's 30 million.
Bakau Fishing Center was established in 1993, and effective community mobilization of resources for efficient fishing management through the support of the government of the Gambia has been facilitated. In Kombo Sanyang, the scale of fishing activities has not been as vibrant as Tangier and Gunjur. However, local-based fishermen coupled with migrant fishermen from Senegal are able to maintain the industry in spite of logistics and technical constraints.
Ngataran alifalu silan ding buka nye dunu buka nye pole suwa fa mo kilin wole pole suwa soton kanani si wala kenyo siada ninga nyewo nyemuta fo benyo tanani abeka dunu ku wala kata jurumu sate kono be marseti je ka kirintu wolon lan sangon ka wole fene ka nye jurumu aka bar wontu mo fano masinti jang basolom ikata basol la bako ikasambuku gale kara ya yiro kale fo ika fonyo ta wole kata ika fonyo ta wole kana senekali nga killing ika fa matari wole basindi so da masimo mo warabak nye bungol le tarinjang chalo be nyoro taransoni nonko chali be nyoro na si ata nonko ni nyata kyofu be nyoro fulani tala na nye kata fo jide bisaw karo kara silan yaaju be nyimbangi ka fo nye tija nye monsoto nye be borta doli e ko jide bisaw doli e ko murtani ibuka nyi laje doli ngolom bari baman control.
The sea is not controlled. Also, that is also a misconception. The fisheries department is not responsible for surveillance at sea. It's the Gambian Navy. But the Gambian Navy is in constant contact with the fisheries department, keeping them the list of vessels which are authorized to fish. That's why if you go to Khartoum, you have the Navy having a special office there, so that at least rapid intervention they can do it. Not only industrial vessels which are doing bad fishing, even the artisanal fishermen are doing it. They have, some of them are using nets which are below the mesh size, and according to international FAO, they have seen that conventional management of fisheries have not succeeded as expected. That's why we are now involving the communities, what we call co-management, so that we can manage the resources together.
The fish we are catching them with hooks, not with net. But the net fishermen are disturbing all around by using their net and different size of nets they are using normally. That is affecting the fishermen with hand lines and fishermen with fishing rods. Because what the nets are catching is more than what the hooks are catching. And then they normally catch small and big size. We are looking for big size only, no small size. So for that being the case, that's normally disturbing us here.
Internationally, hook and line is one of the methods of fishing which is recommended because it's selective. If you put a big hook, you catch a big fish. If you put a small hook, you catch a small fish. That's why sometimes if you go around the Gunjur, Bakau, you see women with catfish, small ones. Because the people catching it are using small hook. That's why the department, with the support of the Banner for USAID project, and also currently we have an UNDP regional project, we want to have a management plan for the catfish. Because even the women who are working with the catfish, one time I asked them, they said they prefer to have a bigger catfish to work with rather than smaller ones.
Gunjur became another vibrant landing site along the Atlantic coast owing to its geographical opening to West Coast metropolitan town of Brikama. This makes the traders to trade their fish products to the hinterland settlements.
Jalafo nying folota katonne wato gunjur jang tendarenum kasinkol min be kana jalafayola ibe ka sabat katon kabirin woketa katon futanya ka kolea wala tinna enyin tenda yele jang wato masinte kering ikajibola tay jaro ni tate futata nyela itimin bisiring mo sabale kata min dombe kulun sonyoto dobe siringa bala dobe kulun kungoto min be kulun kungoto wala ka jalo fay nali futata nyela ni ala jalo tenteng ay lo e jalo e kulun mutaye ay chalo biti jalo la na ya bit fa pare ale jalo saba ani nyena ali ya konkon ale jalo fay kote ke nalla duno sita ale chalo bulaje ale bulala kulun kono ale namuru.
With increase in population and the increased demand for fish as alternative cheap source of protein, fishing centers serves as potential attraction for migration, and this led to expansion of the industry. Consequently, this attracted the need for government's intervention to support the local fishing communities, especially those living along the coastal zone of Kombo South District, through collaborative effort with the international donor agencies.
Protein intake around the Kombos and Yuzabangi area is high. But we also want the people